Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other mining website. In this mining website, just put your wallet address and click start mining. The website will start mining. Okay, let's get started. This is the mining website. The mining website name is coinmining, and this is the one of the mining website. Just put your Bitcoin wallet address in here, click start mining, and the website will be start manually the mining. Daily pay you this much Bitcoin, every minute pay you this much Bitcoin Satoshi. And this is very great mining website. This is the hash power other people buy. If you want, you buy, but buy with your own risk. I didn't recommend you to buy any of this platform. If this website pay you free, just get free. If this website didn't pay you, just leave this website. Okay. And these people, someone from China buy this platform. Okay, a lot of people buy platform, but I didn't recommend you to buy any platform. Okay, this is the new website, 2020 website. Okay, and this is 5 people to buy, earn 5 Bitcoin. Okay, this is the 5 people to every one of these earn 1 Bitcoin. Okay, and this is the wallet addresses, and you can refer other people to come join this website. This is your referral link, and every people come join this website pay you 20% of referral link commission, and this is very good. And this website link in description, click the link and come here, register yourself. This website is very easy. The minimum withdrawal is 0.005. Yes, and after 5 days come here, click withdraw. This website pay you or not, that time you can decide. Okay, and this person buy this amount, big amount of the website. Okay, that's great, and you can watch my other videos. All of my videos is just mining website and Faucet website. You can watch and earn much more cryptocurrency with free pay. Okay, this website link in description. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.